Now, how you are going to write a observations or how you are going to write a data. Now, the observations and results of the invention, it should include everything which happened during the experiment, right? You will not miss anything. You will not whatever your expectations are there, whatever you have anticipated, and what is the actual output, that everything should be there related to that observation and a data. So, probably when we start data collection, we have something in your mind, okay, if I will get this data, this probably might be the output, this data, this probably, but sometimes you get a very, what we can say, a different result, then that different observation is there. Then what you have to do is that you have to mention whatever is there, you have to mention it very clearly, right. This lab notebook should include the experimental observations, right, then discussion and then conclusion, whatever you have, you should discuss your results in detail there. So, what the thing happen when you are doing actually the process, that particular process, you can give reasoning for that particular step, whatever the observation is there, whatever data you have collected, you can give the reasoning for, okay, and you can give that analysis clearly. So, you can write down that in the discussion point, you should take up that important points and you should write that discussion very carefully, right. And then obviously, the whatever the your whatever you are thinking, how you want to conclude that thing, right, that conclusion part, that also you should write as precisely. So, suppose you do it very what we can say cautiously, if you do that thing, then when you are writing a research paper, right, or when you start thinking of, okay, after 2 years think that, okay, I can file a IP on this thing, right, this is a very good result came and now I am thinking of filing IP, then at that time this discussion conclusion part will help you to communicate with a attorney, right. Or if you are writing a research paper, then obviously when you have to write a discussion and conclusion part in the research paper, this will help you to write down the discussion and conclusion very precisely and very, what we can say, it will be very focused, right.